Thank you, sir.
Please be seated, remove your mask and introduce in your favorable language.
Thank you, sir. So my code is 54. I have completed my bachelor's in zoology in the year 2006. After that, I worked with a couple of banks for 3 years as a wealth manager. My last banking assignment was SBI London. After that, we came back to India, and I have been working with farmers and the families for 8 years. After that, I started preparing for the competitive exams, and in last GPSC, I secured 66th rank.
No, 66.
Yes.
And what service you got?
So I got TDO.
Okay. So, your career path from zoology student to a wealth manager. I fail to understand the connection. How will you explain it?
Sir, I joined Masters in Zoology after my BSc, but then the economical situation at my home was not favorable for me to pursue my Masters, and Kotak Wealth Management was recruiting trainees. So I went for the interview and got selected. So that's how I started my banking career.
Which are the in which foreign country have you visited?
Sir, I stayed in UK. I got married. My husband was in UK. So after getting married, I went there, and there I secured a job in SBI London.
UK, Britain, and England. Is it the same thing? Same terminology?
No, it is not.
Yes,
United
yes.
Kingdom is association of it is bigger than Britain. Like it has Ireland, it has Scotland, and Britain is just the country Britain. So both the terminologies are different.
What about the Commonwealth?
So they are it's the Union of Nations which were ruled by or colonized by the Britishers. After independence, they have formed a group called the Commonwealth.
You are associated with farmers. Now,
Yes.
now there is a challenge that the government wants to double the income of the farmers. Do you know about the target by which year they want to accomplish it?
So 22, it's just next year, and still we have a lot to accomplish.
Is it really possible that in 2022 we will able to achieve the target?
So to be honest, we are not yet anywhere close to achieving that target, but we need a huge level of awareness in the farmers, because ultimately they are the stakeholders and they will have to work towards it by reducing the input cost, or value adding their materials that they're producing, and then selling the value added products. That is the only way you can increase the income. But farmers are still lagging behind in all these terms.
What are the hiccups? What are the hiccups due to which farmers are lagging behind?
Sure, sir. I'll talk about that, but I'll talk about it in a divided way. Like first, if we talk about the inputs, then the land holding is very small in India. Most of the people hold less than 2 acres of land. So when they go to buy the fertilizers or the seeds, they buy at a retail price, and when they do the production, they sell at a wholesale price. So this is one of the mismatch wherein the expenditure is more and the income is less.
Good.
Another, if you talk about capacity building, no one wants to pursue a degree or some formal education in terms of farming. And in the village there is this conception that someone who cannot do anything will do farming. So there's a lack of technical training which is needed. Farmers are not aware about the new technologies, techniques, the new climate resilient agriculture and other things. And the average yield that we are getting is quite lower than the other countries. Like in terms of rice, we are one of the highest producers, but still if we talk about the per acre yield, we are nearly almost half than what Thailand or China or Malaysia produces.
Okay, what are your preferences for the GPSC?
Sir, I have put deputy collector and then assistant commissioner GST as my preferences. In class 2, I would not want to put any preferences as I am happy with the TTO profile.
Why not DYSP?
So my height is less, sir. I don't qualify. Otherwise, I would.
Okay. So, what motivates you from TDU to DC? what are means what you want to achieve as a DC which you cannot achieve as a TDO?
So I feel as you move up in the hierarchy, you have more responsibilities and more powers to do things. And I feel I am competent enough to handle that much responsibility and serve the people in a better way if I am a little bit higher in the hierarchy.
No, class 2, class 1 difference that the panel knows. But what are the limitations? Means as a TDO, you can do something.
Yes, sir, as a TDO, law and order will not be one of the things that I'll have to look into. Plus, law and order and the SDM role, that is preventive role before a crime happens. So these are the two things that I won't be able to do. And similarly, if I become a DC, then the implementation of social welfare schemes will not be a part of my job.
Sir,
Okay, I will give you some words and you tell me two, three lines over that. Lisbon Treaty. If you have any idea.
So I've heard, but I cannot recall it right now.
Okay, Brexit.
Brexit, Britain exited the European Union.
Okay. 221B Baker Street.
That's an address in London, I would say, but I cannot recall anything much about it.
Okay, Westminster.
Westminster's Abbey, it's the place where the Parliament of UK is.
Okay. What is difference between being wealthy and being rich?
So being wealthy is equated to having material things. You have money, car, you have a house. Being rich is feeling content and living a decent life with whatever you have.
So you want to be rich rather than being wealthy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If as a panel, if we ask you three advice related to wealth management, only three advice, the crux of your working with multiple banks. So what three advice you want to give?
So the first thing I would say is your investments should always be diversified. Never put all your eggs in one basket.
That's one.
That's one. Second thing is the portfolio, like diversification in terms of commodities, FDs, equity. When it comes to equity also, you should have a diversified portfolio as in large cap, mid cap and the emerging technologies.
That is one. Next.
And the third, I would say that Bitcoin is very, as in cryptocurrency is very lucrative, and RBI is also coming up with that. So apart from gold or other commodities, we should look at new technologies and invest in that also.
Nice. Now, how zoology will help you in your future? Or it's the ship has been sailed, now it's not worthy.
Sir, to be honest, it's been many years, and I hardly
You
recall.
still relate with that?
I hardly recall what I studied, but yes, I recall I used to relate with it a lot when I was working with the farmers. As in the earthworms, like we studied the earthworms, we dissected the earthworms, we know how it works. How does a plant get a nutrition?
Zoology
What
is
are the
all
pests?
bigger term, na? Not only.
It's a bigger term, yes, sir.
What is in how many years we do the lion census? What is the gap?
Sir, I'm not aware, but if I would take a guess, then it should be around 10 years.
Okay. What is the current status of lions, Asiatic lions in Gujarat?
Sir, Asiatic lions population is increasing as per the
It's,
census.
more than 1,000 or less than 100 or between
Sir, I'm
somewhere.
sorry, I have no idea about it. I
Okay.
should get some idea. I'll do that.
Yeah, as you have mentioned zoology in your introduction. So tell me three qualities of you which can convince us to select, as your first preference is in administration. So what three qualities you have that is enough to select you?
So the first quality I would say is I am very determined. Whatever I take up, I always try to finish that. I filled up my first form of GPS in 2017, and this is my fourth interview. And I have always worked very hard to get through it.
Okay.
The second thing is I'm hardworking, as I said. And the fourth would be I am well at management.
Okay.
I used to run a farmer producer company wherein 5,000 farmers were being trained, and we ran income enhancement programs. So we had a lot of staff members coordinating on the field. We had technical experts who were taken to the field for trainings of farmers. We help the farmers value add their stuff, then take it to the market. So I'm good at management also.
Okay, so suppose we have a candidate who is determined, hardworking, and with good management skill, but not honest. So do you consider the fit for service?
Sir, I think honesty and integrity are very important to be a civil
So
servant.
do you think it is in top three quality as for us?
Sir,
Okay,
I
you-
thought I took it for granted, the honesty part. I have worked with the private sectors since so many years, and there's seldom any corruption or anything that happens in the fields that I have worked, so I did not think about it
Okay,
upfront.
okay. So do you consider that public service is, for your case, it's more of your choice rather shifting from private, or it's your personal choice, or do you find it more attractive?
Sir, it's a personal choice. When I was working with the farmers, we were doing trainings on behalf of the Zilla Panchayat. And I used to visit Zilla Panchayat. There were discrepancies in the bills, the payments were delayed, someone is present, someone is not present. And I really got very annoyed with all those things, and I thought I should take up a job in the government and try to do my best. So that is how I stumbled upon it.
Okay.
So, and for the farmers thing, I received a state award also. For the work I did, the recognition.
What is line of credit?
Line of credit. It is usually used in the import-export business, wherein you purchase some material from another country and you have to pay the money after a certain time. So a line of credit is extended. That is the word that is
And
used.
what is geek economy?
Gig economy. So when people they are into high skilled jobs which are not permanent in nature, that kind of jobs, when they increase, we call it increase in the gig economy.
Sir,
Yeah, thank you. I've jotted down certain points from your interaction, Mr. Desai. When do you use for and when do you use since?
Sorry, sir.
Where do you use for and where do you use since?
Since. Okay.
Where do you use for and where do you use since? Because you are speaking in English,
Yes.
so your preferred language is English.
I'm comfortable with English, Gujarati, Hindi, all three languages.
So that I have written,
Okay.
that you know multiple languages,
Okay.
right? But where do you use for and where do you use since?
Since is used after stating a fact to substantiate the rationale, and also to determine the time period that I have been doing it since so many years.
That's where you have gone wrong.
Okay, sir. I got your point now.
Okay? Just go through Wren and Martin once more.
Sure, sir. I will.
You would have studied Wren and Martin only,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So, for is used for the period of time.
Period of time. Yes.
For 20 years.
For 20 years.
For 15 years.
Yes.
Since is used when you want to state that since 1930,
It's
this
in
has been happening,
continuation. Yes.
right?
Yes.
So, it's that year where you are demarcating, from there you use since,
Yes.
right? So, you have gone wrong there.
Okay,
So
sir.
whichever language we use, whether be it Hindi, English or Gujarati, we should be very very clear in the use
Sure,
of
sir.
grammar
Sure, sir.
as a leader. Okay? Because whatever you convey, it is going directly into the heads of people.
Yes.
Right? They are listening to you very intently. They are seeing your body language as well. Right? Coming on to banking.
Yes, sir.
Now, banking, cryptocurrency you spoke about, you touched the base of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is illegitimate tender as of now in India.
Yes, sir.
What makes it illegitimate?
So it is not backed by any guarantee. Like if there's a 2,000 rupee note here, then it is backed by the guarantee of Reserve Bank of India. That I will be able to purchase that much amount worth of goods, or I can go and return it to RBI and it has some backing or value. But cryptocurrency, it does not have a backing or an intrinsic value. That is one part. Another is it is not regulated by the government. Like the currency that we're using, or any other form of assets we have are always backed by the government, regulated by the government. Cryptocurrency is not regulated, so it might
It's not a
go
legal
up.
tender.
It is not a legal tender as of now in India, but RBI is coming up with its own cryptocurrency.
That is digital. They are
That is
coming
digital
with-
currency,
yeah, that's
yes.
coming with digital.
Digital
so you should be
currency.
very, you are from banking.
Yes, sir.
You should be very clear about what is digital,
And
what is
what is
crypto.
Okay, sir.
Now the third point is, which is the only country which has recognized crypto?
USA?
No. Again you have gone wrong.
Yes, sir.
El Salvador.
El Salvador. Yes.
See?
Yes.
So once you say something in your profile, you should be very, very clear on those aspects.
Yes.
You're coming across as a very confident candidate.
Okay, sir.
So on these issues, you cannot go wrong.
Okay.
Coming on to BSc Zoology,
Okay, sir.
right? You have done BSc Zoology.
Yes, sir.
So what are the species which have become extinct in last 10 years?
Sir, I'm not very well aware of all those.
You
But
say I don't
dodo,
know. Say I don't
I
know.
don't know. Okay, I don't know.
This is the what the reaction I expected from you.
Yes, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
You should straight away say I don't know.
Okay.
Now when you are saying, when the question was put to you, how would you use zoology?
Hmm.
So it's your strength, madam.
Okay.
It is BCM. You call it business continuity management.
Okay.
You are from environment. You are a zoologist. You have done specialization. Environmental is all about hazards,
Yes.
unsafe acts and unsafe practices.
Yes.
So, in your scope of or the education profile, you can add two things. One is business strengths, and second is business continuity management.
Okay, sir.
These are the two portfolios you should straight away head into your profile with a certification.
Done, sir. Thank you.
Coming on to the farmers this thing, that you have handled farmers, right? What are the contract labor laws, major contract labor laws? What's the wage act?
So the Minimum Wage Act.
Minimum wage act. I want only 5 important points of minimum wage act.
Sir, I'm not very much well aware, but it is the
Yeah, I
minimum.
don't know.
Okay, I don't know. Okay, sir. Yeah.
Right? You
Yes,
all
sir.
these things you have told, and but starting you saying I'm not very well aware.
Yes, I will
You are an
refrain
excellent
from using
candidate. That's what I'm
this.
saying. You are an
Okay.
excellent candidate. But these are the things when you say you should support, substantiate something with it,
Okay,
right?
sir, yes.